Make sure the original screen and primary color are turned on normally. Turn off the phone and take apart the screen. Device selection language. Corresponding screen model cable. Press the red key to read the code. Displays OK when the read is successful. Connect the new screen that needs to be replaced. Press the right key to write code. Displays OK when the write is successful. Please note to test the original color, the original headphone cable must be installed. Please install the handset cable first. Test after confirming that the cable is installed. Primary color restoration completed.